Hello YouTube, today we're going to solve Expressway, which is a machine on HackTheBox. It will retire soon, so I'm going to record the walkthrough just right now. Yeah, and as always we will start with a simple port scan, which we will perform. I'm going to set up mmap to do so. Let's do that, and let's see what we got. So, as we can see, we have SSH open, but just by SSH we can't do really much. So we can perform just another mmap scan. This time we will focus on UDP ports, and I can show you something else. We got to focus on port 500 especially. I can show you why here. Those boxes will always give you some hints, and we can see the 500 here over here, which is the interstate 500. Port 500 is known for IKA, which is the Internet Key Exchange Protocol used to set up VPN tunnels and stuff. So we can just like mmap scan this port especially and see what we got from there. Yeah, this is just something we gotta look at always. So yeah, let's just perform another scan. This time we gotta focus on port, what did I say, 500? 500. And let's see what we got this time. We require sudo privileges, some root privileges, and the super user must do so. And then we can see already 500 is open. So yeah, actually this is quite good for us. So we can perform some scans, some IKE scans. Yeah, I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna run a scan. This is a tool called IKE scan, which we will use. We will use in an aggressive mode and see what we can get from there. Yeah, let's provide also this IP address and give some root privileges. And then we already see we got full credit. Well, we got we got the username already. This is quite nice. So we got this identity string which we found here. I'm gonna copy this one over. Is there anything else? Yeah, we can now, since we already have the identity string, we can perform another scan, but this time we're also gonna do this in aggressive mode, but this time we're gonna also provide the identity string we found earlier and see if we can get some, I don't know, pre-shared keys or something like that, which we can crack on later. So I'm gonna add also the format which we wanna save the pre-shared key we hope to find. Yeah. So this parameter, this flag right here, is gonna make sure we save our pre-shared key into the file, which in our case is pre-shared key txt. I'm also gonna provide the IP address. And there we go, we got a hit. Okay, and now we should have pre-shared key right over here. I can get it, and there we go. We have the pre-shared key. So what we can do now is just crack it. Yeah, so what we are going to do, we are going to use the tool PSK crack. Yeah, PSK crack is just a simple tool to crack those pre-shared keys. Actually, how do we actually use it? PSK crack. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna provide a word list. I'm gonna provide, I don't know, rocku. Do I have the rocku txt? Nice, we're gonna use this one. But also we gotta add the file, which in our case is pre-shared key txt. This is the hash value in there. And we're gonna crack it and see what we're gonna have. Yeah, we got a password. Nice. I'm gonna copy this one over, and now we have the identity string over here, IKEA, and we have a pass. So I hope to connect to via SSH to the server now, but we will see. I mean, I can also provide the domain name, but oh, what did I do? I copied a little too much. Yeah, let's connect to the SSH server and see what we get. And we are on the box. Nice. So what do we got? We got the user txt file. You can cut it from here, and yeah, this is how you get the user's flag already. So now what can we do? Let's see. Okay, we can't perform any sudo actions. So what we can do now is just get limpies over here and run some limpies. But in my case, I already know what to do next. So we can check the sudo version. Oh, sorry, I misspelled that one. And we already see that we have an outdated sudo version, which is vulnerable. Which is vulnerable to common CVE. And I'm gonna copy over a GitHub repository. I'm gonna copy it over actually over here. I'm gonna have it over here, this one. And what's interesting for us is this one. This is the code, this is the exploit we want to run on the server we already gained SS2. So I'm gonna simply make a new file called, I don't know, exploit.sh, copy in the script. Yes, I want to save the modified buffer, and we can simply run this script exploit. Hello? Why doesn't it? Okay. And let's simply run the script, please. We can't make it an executable, maybe. That will help. And there we go. We are root. This is nice. And now we have the root flag. That's it. This is how you solve the box. Yeah.